government ngayon is not based on merit, but tingnan nyo, ano nangyari? You have a chief PNP na 3 ranggo ang tinalunan para maging chief PNP. It's because this is not merit-based promotion.
Tama!
Pabor-pabor-based promotion eh. Diba? So, balik na ako dito, I have to face that. Basig unsa na po yung buhato na ng diwata, pusit na ito. Lima ka, nagbenta lang ng Paris Overload, sumali ng party list, naging kidnapper, naging chief PNP si Diwata.
Oh!
Si Raulo. Pero alam nyo, tingin ko, pag magkuha yan ng neuro exam, di yan makapasar. Buang talaga yan.
True!
No, nobody in their right mind would do what he did. Yung sinakay niya si PRT sa aeroplano because he is a police officer.
Tama.
He knows the due process. Kung nag-iisip talaga yon, kung sakto yung utak niya, hindi yun, bagsak sa neuro yan. Sigurado ako. Along the way, may bakukang na may suot sa utok, ana ba? Makakaon siguro, panos nga, pansit. Oo na. Pero nobody in the right mind would do that. That's totally illegal, and you know, the consequences of these actions are heavy, sa totoo lang.